They make your vacation unforgettable. But what if I told you cruise crew members are hiding a few secrets that guests almost never discover? Number 10. The secret crew bar you'll never see. Every major cruise ship has one, a hidden bar below deck where only the crew is allowed. It's their escape from the chaos above. Cheap drinks, loud music, no uniforms. Some lucky guests have stumbled in by accident, but don't get your hopes up. If you're caught there, you'll be politely escorted out, fast. Number 9. The hidden city below deck. You might think the ship ends where the guest cabins stop, but beneath your feet lies an entire world. Cafeterias, gyms, stores, even a small jail. Yep, it's a self-contained city just for crew members, complete with hallways nicknamed I-95. Everything the crew needs to live for months at sea is tucked away below your vacation paradise. Number 8. The crew knows everything about you. From your dining habits to how much you tip, crew systems track it all. Your onboard account, cabin camera zones, and even bar orders are logged. Don't be surprised if your bartender remembers your favorite drink by day 2. It's not magic, it's data. Friendly service, yes, but they're also trained to watch for trouble before it starts. Number 7. Cabins are monitored more than you think. No, there aren't hidden cameras in your room, but public areas and hallways, they're covered wall to wall with surveillance. Crew security teams review footage constantly. They know who took too many towels, who snuck extra drinks into the pool, and who got a little too wild at 2 a.m. It's all part of keeping thousands of passengers safe and keeping incidents quiet. Number 6. Food waste is a massive hidden problem. That endless buffet? It comes at a price. Crew members know how much perfectly good food ends up in the trash every single day. Some cruise lines have secret protocols to grind, process, or dispose of leftover food once guests are asleep. So the next time you load up your plate, remember, you're part of a floating city with a massive appetite. Number 5. The crew drill you never hear about. While you're lounging by the pool, the crew is constantly training for disasters you'll hopefully never experience. Fires, floods, even man-overboard rescues. These secret drills happen behind the scenes, often early morning or late night. The goal, make sure they can respond in seconds if something goes wrong, without ever alarming passengers. Number 4. Some crew members sleep in closets. Okay, not literally closets, but you'd be shocked how tiny crew cabins really are. We're talking bunk beds, no windows, and bathrooms the size of a phone booth. Many crew share these spaces for months at a time. So the next time your cabin feels a little cramped, just know it could be worse.
Number 3. There's a secret guest rating system. Yes, you're rating the crew, but they're rating you too. Every guest gets unofficial notes shared between departments. Who's kind, who's demanding, who tips well. It's how the crew prepares to make or survive your next cruise. So if you wonder why service feels extra amazing or unusually distant, it might just be your reputation sailing ahead of you. Number 2. The priority list for emergencies. This one's a bit chilling. In an emergency, not all passengers are treated equally. The crew is trained with a priority list. Families with children, guests with disabilities, and VIPs are first. It's not favoritism, it's protocol. But it means if chaos hits, the order of rescue is already decided, long before you step on board. Number 1. Some crew members never set foot on land for months. It's the most secret and the saddest. Many crew work contracts that last 6 to 10 months with no days off and limited shore leave. They see tropical islands almost every day, but rarely step foot on them. Their life is below deck, serving thousands of guests who may never realize they haven't seen home in nearly a year.
So next time you are walking those bright, shiny decks, remember there is an entire hidden world below your feet, running 24/7 to make sure your trip feels effortless. From secret bars to hidden data systems, the cruise life at sea is nothing short of extraordinary. And now you know a few of their best-kept secrets. If you enjoyed uncovering what really happens behind the scenes, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because we've got even more cruise secrets coming your way. Until next time, sail smart, stay curious, and enjoy the journey. Thank you.